Want to learn how to make real money online without guessing, fluff, or fake Lambos? Welcome to Work the Web Now, your playbook for earning on the internet in the real world. This channel is for beginners and busy side hustlers who want to use AI, digital skills, and simple systems to build income online. If you've ever thought, I want to start, but I don't know how, you're in the right place. Here you'll get step-by-step side hustle breakdowns you can actually copy, AI-powered workflows for content, faceless brands, and automation, practical money videos on turning skills into monthly income, not just one-off wins. No jargon, no scams, just clear actions you can take this week. Everything shared here is built for people starting from zero audience, low budget, and limited time. The goal of Work the Web Now is simple: help you stop scrolling ideas and start working the web for yourself. If you're ready to stop watching everyone else win online and start building your own income, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Watch the videos linked on this page to choose your first path, and let's start working the web now.